Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is Sindhi chicken curry. You can prepare this curry in just 30 minutes. You can serve this curry with rice, chapati, roti. If you are new to my channel, if you like the video, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more interesting and healthy recipes. Let's start the recipe. In a vessel, add 5 tablespoons of oil, 2 chopped onions, saute it on low heat. Onion turns into light brown. Now add 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute for 1 or 2 minutes on low heat. Now add half cup of coriander, 3 chilies, saute for 1 minute on low heat. Now add 2 chopped tomatoes. Add half tablespoon of turmeric, 1/4 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1/4 tablespoon of garam masala, and saute it until tomatoes get smashed. Adjust red chili powder as per your taste. If you want more gravy, increase the quantity of onions and tomatoes and spices. Add half kg chicken and fry it for 10 minutes on medium heat. Add salt as per your taste. Now add 3 tablespoons of curd. Close and cook the chicken for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add half cup of water. Now close and cook for 20 minutes on low to medium heat. After 20 minutes, sprinkle some coriander. Very tasty Sindhi chicken curry is ready. You can serve this curry with chapati, rice, roti. More non-veg recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon and follow Shalini Foods in Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.